Okay, you know what you want. Now, how do you go get it? Whatever your goal is, you know what it is. Now you got to figure out, how am I going to get from where I am to there as quickly as possible, the best route possible. Well, I've researched this kind of stuff my entire life. Over 40 years, I've spent researching this, and I have the secret for you. Some of it I've learned personally the hard way, and some of it I've learned watching other people who have achieved their goals and those who haven't achieved their goals. The secret is going to, just be honest, it's going to piss you off, and you're going to be like, oh, get out. But let me just tell you, the obvious answer is usually the right answer, and the obvious answer is the one we usually overlook. So promise me you will listen to the entire episode. And remember, it's 10 minutes or less, every one. So I'm not asking for a lot. So if you want to get to your goal, this is the episode for you. Let's jump into it right now.
You're listening to Mindset Mastery Moment, your quick daily mindset reset. I'm your host, Paul Desmond Adams. I believe when you change the world within you, you'll change the world around you. That's why this show is designed to put you into your best mindset for success in your business, your relationships, and your life, all in under 10 minutes. So let's get started.
Here it is. Again, thank you so much for being a part of Mindset Mastery Moment. It used to be called Mental Mastery Moment. Changed the name, relaunched it. Yesterday was the new episode. And I'm just so grateful for you. If you love this show and you love this 10 minutes and you get that mindset reset every single day in a little 10-minute chunk, would you please take a moment and go to wherever you're listening to this podcast? Just pick up your phone or whatever you're listening on and just give it a 5-star rating and review. It'll help let people know that, hey, we're back and we're doing the show again. I'd really appreciate it. All right. Okay. So here's the secret. And the thing is, it's not really a secret. If you want to achieve your goal and you want to achieve it quickly, and again, the obvious answer is usually the right answer and the one we overlook every time. It's the one right in front of us. And we just overlook it. So here's the secret. And give me a little bit after I tell you what this is, okay? Because I'm going to take it apart a little bit and you'll understand why it's so important and why we overlook it and how we overlook it. The secret to getting what you want, I'm afraid to tell you. Action. Action is it. And I know you're like, well, of course it's action. Gee whiz, every freaking person knows that it's action. No, we know it, but we don't always do it. Think about yourself today. There's something that you probably have been putting off for a little while. Something you want, but you've not taken action on it. And there's different reasons why you haven't taken that action. So I broke it down to 3 critical components to this. And you're like, well, the answer is action. How can you get 3 things out of it? Listen to me, okay? Here's one of the first things you need to do is determine the action that will get you there. Because there's all this peripheral action that goes on. If you're launching a business, you need a whiteboard on the wall, but that's not going to get your first dollar in the door, right? It's something you can do. Listen, these are things I've done. I've spent time putting up walls and doing all kinds of stuff with a studio, but I didn't need to do that for a podcast, right? I want to get a podcast. I want to get a YouTube channel out there. Do I need to do that? No. Did I do it? Yeah. Figure out what action is going to get you to your goal the quickest and take action on those items. The details don't matter as much at this point. This is something I see with people all the time. They want to launch a podcast. They want to start an online business. And they think of all these things that need to be done that somebody told them they had to do or they read about doing in a book, and they become overwhelmed with all these things. You need to just figure out what's going to get you from here to there. If I want to go out that door, the first thing I need to do is get my butt up out of this chair. Now, I could roll around. I could adjust the height on the chair. I could do all kinds of things. Think about where are my shoes and I got to put those on. And does that door, all these things I could be bothering myself with. But what I really need to do is just get up from the chair and walk out that door. But we do all these other things. Oh, let me grab this. And I'll need to grab my glasses and my pen and probably need my phone before I go out. All those, no, I want to get out the door. If this room's on fire, I'm just heading out. I might grab my phone, but this room, I'm just heading out the door, right? And that's why you need to treat it in that same way. The other thing is you don't have to spend days and days and hours learning everything. There's something called just-in-time learning. A lot of us don't do that. We want to learn how to build an email list. Well, we read everything we can come up with on how to build an email list and targeting your list and segmenting your list. The first thing you need to do is invite people to sign up for your email list. Is it the most efficient, the best way to do it? No, it's not, but it's action you can take. And I'll get into this, why that's so important. That maybe you're like, but you're wasting your time. No, you're wasting your time by waiting to study it. Take action. I have a mentor, and I'll get into this. I have a mentor. His thing he always says is, F it up and figure it out. Just do it and figure it out. You'll learn more doing it and trying to do it by taking action than you will sitting there pondering. Now, what are all the things that could go wrong on this? You're not flying an airplane, okay? You don't got to figure it all out before it comes off the ground. You can figure these things out as you move forward. So take action, figure out the right action. All right. So the next thing of the three is to take action now. Take it now. So often we want to put it off and we want to wait. The greatest resistance to us hitting our goals is action. So the first thing you need to do is take some sort of action, a little bit of action. If I want to get out that door again, okay, first thing I need to do is take action and go like this and get up. Just get up, take action. As soon as I do that, I've already created this momentum in that direction. So take action right now. Facebook has this saying, they said, move fast and break things. That means make mistakes. Don't be afraid to take action. Don't be afraid to make a mistake because you took action too quickly. Implementation is the key to success. Now, remember, the first step was figuring out what action is going to get you there. But even if you take the wrong action, it's better than taking no action, and do it quickly. There's more risk, they say, in business by doing slow changes, taking action slowly than there is by taking action quickly, even if it's the wrong action, because you can iterate over and over again faster than you can analyze and look at every possible option if you just take action. The third element, keep taking action. Okay, so it's figure out what's the best action, the right action that's going to get you there. Okay, take action now and then keep taking action because you're creating a habit. Every time you take a little bit of action, if you want to work out every day, you might think, well, I'm going to go to the gym and I got to get this whole workout routine and everything. I have a friend of mine who goes to the gym and he jumps in there in 15 minutes. He's done and he's out of there because he knows that he doesn't like doing it, but he knows he needs to do it. So he does it as quickly as possible. And some days he goes longer when he feels like it, but he knows every day he needs to go because he wants to create that habit. So take action every single day. If you're launching an online business, take some sort of purposeful, beneficial action on that every day. It doesn't need to be 3 hours sitting there at your computer working on something, but take some sort of action so you can know you did something today and you'll do something again tomorrow. You're resisting stagnation. What is it? Newton's first law, right? An object at rest will remain at rest until a force comes up against it of greater value, whatever it is. We want to stay at rest. So we are always kind of slowing down because we have resistance in life. We're going up against that resistance. So you always want to slow down. So you have to put in effort every day to keep moving forward. A little bit of effort will keep you going in the right direction. Take that action every day. Again, my mentor has that motto that he grills into me all the time. It's F it up and figure it out. F it up and figure it out. Just keep doing it. You'll figure it out. Take action today. Figure it out. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Do it again tomorrow. Take more action. Yeah, but I want to figure it. I don't want to do the same mistake that I did. Take action. You'll figure it out. F it up and figure it out. You may have to adjust, but that's part of the process, okay? So I hope that helps you. Seriously, I know you're thinking, well, this is the most simple, basic thing ever. It's not. Simple, but difficult. What I shared was simple, but difficult. Take action today. What is it that you're trying to do? Do something to take action today. I appreciate you. I hope this helps. I know it helps. I hope you implement it. I really appreciate you. And hey, remember, if you're at that place in life where you're just thinking, man, you know what? I've got this dream. I've wanted to do something all my life. And I've spent my whole life just working at my job and raising my family. And now I'm in a place where I can do this. I don't know what to do. I'd love to help you out. I'd love to help you get a breakthrough so you can live the life that gives you a purpose and meaning and fills you with passion. It utilizes your zone of genius. I want to help you. I'll help you make it through it. I'll help you get it going. Schedule a call with me right now. You can go to pauldesmondadams.com/breakthrough. All right? pauldesmondadams.com/breakthrough. All right, 10 minutes are up. I'm out.